Hey y'all, so I wanted to share that these little Velveeta skillets, the chicken bacon ranch one is really good. And so if you're just trying to save time instead of, going out once in a while, you just want to cook something fast at home. This is really for my YouTube channel for like foster kids and stuff like that because it's really easy to make. You just need 2 cups of water, you brown up your chicken, and you mix it all together and it turns out like this. Oh, if you could smell it. It smells so good. And then I have the garlic bread ready, some Texas toast for later on. But I like to prep my dinner early. That way I can focus on other things. But this is, once again, Velveeta chicken bacon ranch. And if you have bacon bits, you can add extra bacon bits if you want to. Spice it up a little bit. And I like to use olive oil when I am browning my chicken.